crafty friends. It's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome to the Crafty Corner. Oh, this is going to be a quick, short video for anyone who is interested in seeing what the On Stage swag box is all about. So in case you don't know, and if you follow a bunch of demonstrators, you probably already know, or if you are a demonstrator, you know, but maybe you missed the info. Okay, so this is so funny. It starts with a... anyway, so On Stage is what Stampin' Up! Calls their convention. And normally, you know, you go to a place, quite often now, Salt Lake City, if it's in the U.S., and you go there, and it's a 3-day event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and there is recognition, there is stamping, there is display, so you can see everything. You get the catalog for the, so for this one in November, we would get the upcoming January to June holiday, not holiday, well, January to June mini catalog. We would make projects, people would give you business tips, so it's just a way to gather a bunch of fun stampers together and have a great time. And so, of course, as you probably know, most things like that are not going on because we can't really do it. It's not safe. So Stampin' Up! Went to On Stage at Home. And the cool thing is, if you were a demonstrator and you wouldn't normally go due to traveling or not being able to take that time off, you could actually just buy the event, and participate. And they offered the On Stage at Home swag box, and that's what I'm going to show you. And it's the stuff. I mean, there's going to be a bag and some pins and notebooks, but I bet they're going to be awesome. So we're going to see what's in the box. So if you're a demonstrator and you don't want to know and you're getting yours, go away. It's okay. I'll see you later. But if you do want to know, then come on and, hey, Rosellen, and take a look. So we're going to open it up. So it comes in this super cool box. Like, okay, you guys are going to laugh. It won't fit on my desk. It is a big, giant box, and I'm excited. And I have not opened it, and I have not seen any pictures. I was like, I want to like do my own surprise, although normally I do peek. All right, so we're going to open it. Oh, and when you open it up, we've got a message from Sarah, who is the CEO of Stampin' Up! So she's got stuff like that to tell us about. You already got yours, Trisha? It came yesterday, but I did not have time. Okay, this is a cute bag. Sometimes I don't like the bags, but I like this bright, bold colors. Ooh, and the stuff is all in the bag. Ooh, ooh, notebooks. Okay, those are really cute. Let's open those up. Let's open those up carefully. Because, you know, could you ever have too many notebooks? I don't know. All right, so let's take a look. There's a little, oh, I like this little one. That is a cute size. You could put this if you have a small purse. Sometimes you get an idea for a project or you need to take a note. This is a good book to carry. Then we got a little thinner one with regular lines. This is the In Good Taste DSP print. And then this one with the stripy lines. So there you go. Oh, and that has grid paper and pretty print. So nice. Ooh, what's this? Stickers! I love stickers. Okay, so we're definitely going with a bright theme. We got a bunch of fun little stickers there. I like stickers. I do. And then we have, ooh, and it's more than one sheet. Okay, that excites me. That's exciting. Grid paper. And we have inches and centimeters. This is fun. So when I'm doing my projects, okay, let me move. Let's see. That might be it. What is this bag? Let's see. Oh, it has 2 sections. Look at this. This is a pretty cool bag. So the bottom section, you know, you could you put a die cutting machine in here? I was saying you could put your sneakers in here, but I kind of feel like, no, you can't put a die cutting machine in there. All right, I got a little excited for nothing, but it looks kind of cool and it's padded there. I don't know. All right, and then let's see how the top opens. I know you can't see this super great because my camera is closer to the desk. And then, ooh, there's more in here. This is exciting. Oh, so we got a stamp set. Enjoy the moment. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like these little things. I don't know what they're called, but I see those in flower arrangements sometimes. Pretty font. I bet this is a red rubber. Yes, a nice, beautiful red rubber stamp set. That is really cute. I like this drawing. Oh, so the trimmer will? That's good to know. It's funny. This looks like makeup to me, but I'm sure it's a pin. Let's see. Ooh, a rainbow pin. Let me see. How does this work? It's kind of silly that a grown woman gets excited about a rainbow pin. So it looks to me like you're going to go through the colors. Green, pink, blue, purple, yellow, orange. Okay, so we got a cool rainbow pin. What else is in here? Ooh, and some... Oh, look at that cute little snail. Some little pins. They gave us pins last time. Let me see. I actually have mine right here. I can show them to you. They're hanging up. So last time I got a pineapple and a toucan and a cute little Stampin' Up pin. And so now I've got some pins I can add to this. And I wonder if they're going to send us these ribbons. So normally when you have it on stage, they do a day of recognition. And I did get an email that I will get all of these same ribbons. I got level 2 in leadership, but level 1 in actually in recruiting, I don't know. 5 people on my team qualified this year, which was super exciting. So we'll have this stuff too. So I think that's it. Pins, and a pen. That is kind of fun. And a bag with popsicle design inside. Okay, this is a pretty nice bag. I might keep this one. You know, there's only so many bags you can have. All right. So that is what is in the Onstage swag box. I am excited about that grid paper. No, Trisha, I'm not giving up my snail. I like the snail pin. I'll trade my popsicle to someone. I like those less. Anyway, so I wonder if there's going to be a stamp that looks like that snail, because he is super cute. And he has a little, whoa. Oops, I went too far. He has a little envelope on top of his head, which I think is super cute. Or actually not on his head, on top of his shell. So there it is, a little fun look for posts about Onstage. I'm actually going to host a little properly social distant event in my garage with a couple of my downline. We're going to watch it on TV together, and we're going to craft together, but slightly apart. So I'm excited about that. If you ever have questions about being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and want to know more, how does it work? What are your commitments? What are your perks? Definitely let me know. And the #1 perk is seeing stuff early if you're an avid crafter and getting a discount. So there we are. I'm going to go work on some projects, and I'll be back at 2 o'clock for some midweek yoga. Yeah, midweek yoga. Okay, I'll see you later. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Stay crafty.